everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, happy to be your actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video ang SB19 music video. So I won't say any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. As in, hinintay talaga natin to ng kay tagal, and I'm really excited. What is this something like the storyline of the said music video? Kasi teaser palang bongga na eh. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Panoorin muna natin ng buo tapos doon tayo magpo-pause. Ay, bongga naman. Love it. Ay, may story.
Payapa, malaya at puno ng pagmamahal ang lahat. Naglaho ng dahil sa makamundong kasakiman.
Ay, hello.
Paano po ba iingatan ng kahiwagaan kung ang kapaligiran na ang kalaban? Paano ba hihigitan pa ang dulo ng kabutihan? At paano ba wawakasan ng isang bagay na hindi naman nagawang simulan? Ano bang pakiramdam?
Story, oh my God. Ganda ng story. Okay. Oh, the angst. Para siyang sa Beauty and the Beast. Wow! Oh, wow! Ang ganda! Parang Beauty in... Oh, sabi ko na parang Beauty and the Beast ang atake. Di na tulala ako. Wow, the color grading, black and gold, I love it. Oh my God, guwapo ni Stell. And he sustained that. Grabe yung transition, grabe yung CGI effects. Ay, nabulag sila. Ay! Ay! Grabe ang pagpayat ni Pablo. Wow, the Kings. Love that. Grabe yung poses Stella. Grabe yung mga effects. Here, I have to pause it. I have to say this talaga. Ayoko sana mag-pause kasi gusto ko mamaya na ako mag-pause. Pero baka makalimutan ko. Dear, the momentum is tuloy-tuloy. Hindi ka pwedeng pumikit. Sabi ko nga kanina, ayaw ko mag-pause, diba? Hindi ka pwedeng pumikit. Hindi ka pwedeng dumaldal habang nanonood nito. Hindi ka pwedeng kung nagluluto ka, may iniiwanan ka, baka masunog. Hindi pwede. Walang kukurap for today's video. The storyline, color grading, acting skills ng SB19. Bongga. Kanina naiyak ako pero hindi ako pwede pumikit. Sabi ko, wala dapat pipikit. Pag nanonood ng music video ng SB19 Dam, wala dapat pumikit. My God, I really cannot. Like, literally. Seriously. Wow. Wow, look at that. Gwapo ni Josh. Gwapo ni Josh. Bawal pumikit, ha? Eh. Wow! Tat, 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 tat. Oh, the shifting. Grabe, sister. Alam mo, kagabi gulat na gulat ako. Akala ko babae ang kumakanta niyan for today's video. Bongga ang vocal prowess. Alam mo, sister, masasabi ko na parang ang boses niya is katulad na din kay Dimash Kuday Virgin. Sa totoo lang. Ay, wow! Wow! Hindi ko in-expect yun, yung tipong mag-change ng color grading. My God, nagkakape pa ako eh. Ay, naging bato sila. Ay, naging bato sila, dear, for today's video. Bakit? Bongga. I love it. Wow. Wow. Ano yung pakiramdam? Galing. Wow. The last part is indeed, although walang bumaba ang momentum, tuloy-tuloy ang momentum nila. I think this is one of the most quiet reaction video that I have made. Yung tipong music video Yung tipong alam mo yung hindi pwedeng kumurap. Hindi pwedeng kumurap. Hindi pwedeng... I really don't know. Pero the last part talaga, nagulat ako. Ang ganda ng color grading ng last part nila. Dito, akala mo tapos na, di ba? Grabe. Hindi ka pwedeng kumurap for today's video. Walang kukurap. Ganda, no? Ganda, oh. Wow! Bongga. Who the institution of P-pop, should I say? They are not just the king, but they are the institution. Bongga. Wala akong masabi. Galing. Tahimik ko. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!